What's up guys, LaSaint here and welcome to my channel. So have you heard of the term shadow banning before? In this video, I want to explain to you what shadow banning is, how to check if you have been shadow banned, and if you are shadow banned, what steps do you need to take so that you are unshadow banned, and lastly, I want to give you some tips to avoid being shadow banned. If this sparks an interest to you, then stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, because I would really appreciate it. And if you find this content very helpful, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. What is shadow banning? What it is your image is not going to appear in the hashtag feed for people who are not following you. So essentially what that means is that your work is not going to be discovered, and the only people that can see that are people who are currently following you. How do you know if you have been shadow banned? One way is seeing that your engagement has dropped off tremendously. So for example, with me, my account, and I woke up one day and the engagement dropped by like 50%. And I was like stressing out and I was thinking, what am I doing wrong? I was so consistent, I post every day, sometimes 3 times a day, and I didn't understand why I wasn't getting as much likes. And then I did some research online and I realized there's a thing called shadow ban. And also to let you know, if you do Google shadow banning, there is going to be a link there and it allows you to put your username and you'll just spit out a result and tell you whether you're shadow banned or not. I just want to let you know, I don't think that's 100% accurate. Another way to check is going to your hashtags after you've posted a photo. Say you add like your own hashtag or something like that. What you do is you get out of your account, log into like a second account if you've got a second account, or use your friend's phone or your boyfriend's phone, tell them to unfollow you. And then what you need to do is go into that post, go into that specific hashtag, like your own unique hashtag, click on it and see whether it appears in the most recent photos. If it doesn't appear in your most recent photos, chances are you have been shadow banned, my friend. And I've got an example of a photo that I've posted a while back when I was in London, and it has been shadow banned, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like. I have logged into my second account, and what I've done here is I went into the photo that I feel like has been shadow banned, and I have my own unique hashtag. So you should go LaSaint in the country that I've traveled to, and I'll click onto that, and what do you know, that photo that I posted ages ago didn't even make it into most recent. Okay, so now you've done that test and you must be thinking to yourself, oh crap, I've been shadow banned. And I just want to let you know, it's okay, just take a deep breath, it's not the end of the world, there's a way to fix it. The first step that you need to take in order to unshadow ban yourself is look through your hashtags from your most recent post and then your previous post. Check to see if you're using the same hashtag, because if you're recycling or reusing the same hashtag for the last month, what happens is that Instagram recognizes you as a spammy account, and that's one way for them to shadow ban you. You might be using a broken hashtag. A broken hashtag can be really innocent, like beauty blogger, for example. Here I've got hashtag beauty blogger. There's over 13 million posts. You look here, it says beauty blogger, and then if you scroll down and if you see here, recent posts from beauty blogger are currently hidden because the community has reported some content that may not meet Instagram's community guidelines, right? If you see that, that means that you're using a broken hashtag. And what you need to do is remove it completely, replace it with another one if you like. And what you can do is you can log into your second account where you've unfollowed your primary account and just go back in and check to see whether it appears in the most recent, and if it does, that means you have just unshadow banned yourself. Cool? What you can do as well is you can give yourself a break for 2 days. So that means logging out of your account for 2 days where you're not posting any Instagram stories, you're not liking anyone's photos, you're not DMing anyone, and you're not commenting on anyone's posts. I know it sounds crazy, and 2 days doesn't sound long for most people, but people like us who are like completely obsessed with Instagram, it is a long time. And I know it is a long time, and I've heard that this usually does fix the issues, just be completely disconnected to it, and you know, by doing that it actually resets itself after 48 hours. You can give that a try as well. Here are the tips to avoid being shadow banned, and the most important one is do not be overactive. Whatever you do, don't go through a rampage where you're liking everyone's photos or follow everyone and then unfollowing everyone. You're commenting on everyone's photos with the same comment. Don't be using the same hashtag over and over again and using restricted hashtag or broken hashtag. Here's what I think you should avoid, and that is liking more than 200 photos within an hour. And avoid unfollowing 60 people within an hour, and I think it's 60 comments within an hour. If you comment more than that, then Instagram detects you as a robot. Don't use third-party apps to post on your behalf. That's like having a bot to comment on everyone's photos or liking everyone's photos, because Instagram is cracking down on that, and if they have a suspicion that you are doing that or using a bot or an app, then they will shadow ban you. Maybe you have used the app in the past. Make sure that you completely wipe it off your profile. So I hope this video brings awareness to you and keeps us all in Instagram's good books. If you like more videos like this, please let me know. And that's all from me for now, and I will see you in my next video.